Maids trick to remove stains from pots, pans, stoves, exhaust fans and more. Come with me and I'll teach you. We will start this trick by adding in a container the amount of 500 milliliters of dishwashing detergent. Feel free to use it with the scent of your choice. We will continue to add a tablespoon of toothpaste, the famous toothpaste. Toothpaste has whitening properties that will be very useful in this recipe. It is important to mix very well so that they are completely incorporated and no residue of the toothpaste remains. Our next important ingredient will be a whole lemon. Cut the lemons in half and squeeze to extract their juice completely. Lemon has corrosive properties that help eliminate old dirt. In addition to helping to improve the aromatization of our tip, it will also help to leave an intense shine. The next step will be to add the amount of 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Because it is an alkaline compound, baking soda ends up gaining a remarkable disinfectant power. After mixing everything very well, we will use the empty detergent bottle we used to add our magic mixture. Feel free to store it in a container of your choice. I'm using this one to make it easier to apply. Our potent mixture is ready to be used. It will be a great ally for you to clean all kinds of unpleasant dirt from your kitchen. The ingredients used are all powerful cleaning allies, as they help in cleaning by slowing down, and often preventing, the proliferation of microorganisms on various types of surfaces. The lemon used has degreasing properties, bactericides, fungicides, and insecticides. Just apply a little to your pots, pans, stoves, and other metal things that you have in your kitchen. Right after applying the prodotto, just rub it very well with the help of a sponge or loofah. You'll notice that all the dirt will come off easily, without needing to use too much force. In addition to restoring the shine of your pans as if they were new. Take the opportunity to tell me which city and country you are watching me from so I can send you a hug. Today's hug goes to Maria Cristina, who is watching me from the city of Texas in the United States. This mixture can be stored for up to 30 days without losing its cleaning efficiency. Some people often make this product to sell. Feel free to do whatever you want. I'm sure it will be of great use in addition to making life easier for housewives. Don't waste any more time with dirty pans, and you don't have to throw them away. I know you will thank me for this very useful homemade tip for your day-to-day. A big hug to everyone who watched me. Stay with God and see you in the next video.